Unit 13, Part A, Activity 2B. Now listen and check your guesses. Tick the numbers you hear from Activity 2A.
Hey Tim, what's wrong with you? We just lost the football match because of you. You didn't play well today.
Sorry, Kasal. I'm not well. I have some homework which I can't do. I might fail this subject, and I'm not happy.
Okay, relax. It's just homework.
I can't do it. That's the problem. I still don't know much about your country.
My country? Cambodia? Oh my, just ask, Tim. You know I can help you.
All right. I don't think you know the answer to this, but how high is the highest mountain in Cambodia?
Easy. It's 5,948 feet, which is about 1,812 meters, and it's in Kampong Speu province.
Wow, this is easier than I thought. Okay, how many provinces are there in Cambodia?
Well, Cambodia is divided into 25 provinces. The largest province is Mondulkiri and the smallest is Kaep. Kaep is only 336 square kilometers.
Thanks, Kasal. I know some really interesting facts about the Tonle Sap Lake too. Would you like to hear them?
Well, I know the lake grows up to 10,000 square kilometers or more during the wet season. But in the dry season, it only measures about 2,800 square kilometers.
It's also
home to about 300 kinds of fish.
fine. You think you know a lot, huh? Well, how many countries are there in Asia?
48, but only one country in the world has a flag with the building on it. Do you know which country that is, Tim?
Yeah, Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Maybe we should just go play football again. I've just done my homework.
Unit 13, Part A, Activity 5. Listen and repeat. 1. 273,939. 2. 2,500. 3. 632,127. 4. 591. 5. 1,200,701. Unit 13, Part B, Activity 1B. Listen, check and repeat. Volcanoes. Ocean. Glaciers. Earthquakes. Mountain.